Hey, good morning guys, how's it going? I'm back here on another fly day today, and we're gonna fly the GEP RC again. It's been a while since I had this one in the air because there was something wrong with one of the motors, and it just miraculously started working again. So not really sure what's going on, so I hope I don't have any problems today because I'm flying over asphalt, so it might be a disastrous landing. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. It's chilly today, so snow is coming soon, so we'll get a few more flights in with these non-waterproof quads. All right, well, I got one short flight in and I landed, and now here's what we got again. See, we got one motor not spinning there, so not gonna take a chance. I'm gonna haul out the other quad for today, and we'll put this one back until we can figure out what's going on. All right guys, we're back with the iFlight 2.5 inch here, since the other one is not working right. So yeah, this one is one of my favorites. See how it performs today. Cheers.
The silence howling catches angels as they fall, and the all-time winner